Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the latest Teams app and camera permissions, so update now and sign in. Once done, join the meeting or open the meeting invite on your phone. Make sure your camera preview is visible. This ensures background effects appear. Tap the screen to reveal controls, then choose the More menu, 3 dots. This first step gets you into the meeting context where background options are available and prevents surprises when you try to change visuals mid-call. Once in the meeting, tap the screen and open More. You'll see background effects or background and filters. Select it to preview options. Tap a blur to hide your room quickly or pick a preset image to present a consistent backdrop. If you prefer a custom photo, choose Add New and upload an image from your phone. Make sure it's upright and sized correctly. Preview the change so you confirm how you look, then apply the selected effect so everyone sees the new background. You can also set a background before joining. On the Join screen, tap Background and select your effect to save time. Use simple, high-contrast images for cleaner edge detection. Complex patterns can confuse the algorithm. If the background option doesn't work, make sure Teams has camera permission, restart the app, and confirm your phone's OS and Teams app are updated. As a final tip, switch to blur or a solid color if custom images still fail. This often succeeds when detection struggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.